Today I will read from the book Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. Here I am. To prepare for the attempt, I did 400 pull-ups a day during the week, which took me about 70 minutes. On Saturday, I did 1500 pull-ups in sets of 5 to 10 reps over 3 hours, and on Sunday, I dialed it back to 750. All that work strengthened my lats, triceps, biceps, and back, prepared my shoulder and elbow joints to take extreme punishment, helped me develop a powerful gorilla type grip, and build up my lactic acid tolerance so my muscles could still function long after they were overworked. As game day approached, I shortened recovery and started doing 5 pull ups every 30 seconds for 2 hours. Afterward, my arms felt to my side limp as overstretched rubber bands. On the eve of my record attempt, my mom and uncle flew into New York City to help crew me, and we were all systems go until the sales nearly killed my Today Show appearance at the last minute. No easy day. A first-hand account of the Osama bin Laden raid had just come out. It was written by one of the operations in the Dave Group unit that got it done, and Naval Special Warfare brass were not happy. Special operators are not supposed to share details of the work we do in the field with the general public, and lots of people in the team resented that book. I was given a direct order to pull out of the appearance, which didn't make any sense. I wasn't going on camera to talk about operations, and I was not on a mission to self promote. I wanted to raise $1 million for families of the fallen, and the Today Show was the biggest morning show on television. I had served in the military for nearly 20 years by that point, without a single infraction on my record, and for the previous 4 years, the Navy had used me as their poster boy. They put me on billboards, I was interviewed on CNN, and I had jumped out of an airplane on NBC. They placed me in dozens of magazine and newspaper stories, which helped their recruitment mission. Now they were trying to stifle me for no good reason. Hell, if anybody knew the regulations of what I could and could not say, it was me. In the nick of time, the Navy's legal department cleared me to proceed. My interview was brief. I told a Cliff Notes version of my life story and mentioned I would be on a liquid diet, drinking a carbohydrate loaded sports drink as my only nutrition until the record was broken. What should we cook for you tomorrow once it's all over? Savannah Guthrie replied. I laughed and played along, agreeable as hell, but don't get it twisted. I was way out of my comfort zone. I was about to go to war with myself, but I did not look like it or act like it. As the clock wound down, I took my shirt off and was wearing only a pair of lightweight black running shorts and running shoes. Wow, it's like looking at myself in mirror, Lawyer joked, gesturing toward me. This segment just got even more interesting, said Swana. All right, David, best of luck to you. We will be watching. Someone hit play on Going the Distance, the Rocky theme song, and stepped to the pull up bar. It was painted matte black, wrapped with white tape and stenciled with the phrase "Show no weakness" in white lettering. I got the last word in as I strapped on my grey gloves. Please donate to specialops.org, I said. We are trying to raise $1 million. All right, are you ready? Lawyer asked. 2, 3, 1, David, go. With that, the clock started and I rocked a set of 8 pull ups. The rule laid down by a Guinness Book of World Records were clear. I had to start each pull up from a dead hang with arms fully extended, and my chin had to exceed the bar. So it begins, Savannah said. I smiled for the camera and looked relaxed, but even though the first pull up didn't feel right, part of it was situational. I was a lone fish in a glass box aquarium that attracted sunshine and reflected a bank of hot show lights. The other half was technical. From the very first pull-up, I noticed that the bar had a lot more give than I was used to. I didn't have my usual power and anticipated a long fucking day. At first, I blocked that shit out. Had to. A loser bar just meant a stronger effort and gave me another opportunity to be uncommon. Thank you. That's it for the day.